What if I told you there is a practice so powerful that it can unlock the highest levels of consciousness, dissolve your mental barriers, and connect you to your true self? This is not just ancient wisdom, it's a practical tool that's been transforming lives for centuries. Welcome to the world of Kriya Yoga, a path that bridges the gap between mind, body, and spirit, guiding you towards spiritual awakening. Let's embark on this journey, diving deep into the transformative power of Kriya Yoga and how it can lead you to higher states of consciousness. Kriya Yoga is not just a technique, it's a spiritual science rooted in ancient Indian traditions. The word Kriya translates to action or practice, and Yoga means union. Together, Kriya Yoga represents a disciplined approach to uniting the soul with the infinite. Origins and philosophy. Kriya Yoga was brought to the modern world by Mahavatar Babaji and made widely known through Paramahansa Yogananda's book Autobiography of a Yogi. At its core, Kriya Yoga is about harmonizing your physical, mental, and spiritual energies. The philosophy is simple yet profound. Every action you take, when done with awareness, brings you closer to your divine nature. Through specific breathing techniques and meditation practices, Kriya Yoga helps you bypass the chatter of the mind and access deeper states of awareness. How it differs from other yoga practices. Unlike physical yoga, which focuses on the body, or bhakti yoga, which emphasizes devotion, Kriya Yoga is a systematic approach to controlling the life force, or prana, in the body. It offers a direct way to accelerate spiritual growth by awakening dormant energy at the base of the spine, known as Kundalini. To understand how Kriya Yoga leads to spiritual awakening, we need to delve into its scientific principles. Energy and the human body. The human body is a powerhouse of energy, with subtle pathways known as nadis and energy centers called chakras. Kriya Yoga works directly with these systems. It uses breath control, or pranayama, to direct life force energy through the spinal cord, often referred to as the highway to higher consciousness. Each breath in Kriya Yoga acts as a cleansing tool, purifying the energy channels and activating higher chakras, which are associated with intuition, creativity, and divine connection. Neuroscience meets spirituality. Modern science supports what yogis have known for millennia. Regular practice of Kriya Yoga stimulates the vagus nerve, reducing stress and calming the mind. This shifts the brain into a state of coherence, where the logical left hemisphere and the creative right hemisphere work in harmony. Furthermore, studies have shown that deep meditation, such as that practiced in Kriya Yoga, increases gamma brainwaves, associated with heightened states of awareness and bliss. The true power of Kriya Yoga lies in its practice. Here's a practical guide to get started. 1. Setting the foundation. Create a sacred space, choose a quiet, clean, and clutter-free area for practice. Light a candle or incense to set the mood. Commit to a routine, practice at the same time every day, preferably early morning or evening. Consistency is key. 2. The technique. While the detailed practice of Kriya Yoga should ideally be learned from a certified teacher, here's a general outline of what it involves. Preparation with asanas. Begin with simple yoga postures to stretch and relax the body. This prepares you for sitting comfortably during meditation. Pranayama, breath control. 1. Sit in a comfortable posture with your spine erect. 2. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. 3. Practice diaphragmatic breathing, slowly inhale, expanding your belly, and exhale completely. 4. Gradually, synchronize your breath with your mental focus on the chakras along your spine. Meditative visualization. 1. Visualize energy rising from the base of your spine, Muladhara chakra, to the crown of your head, Sahasrara chakra. 2. With each breath, imagine light and warmth spreading through your body. 3. Daily practices to enhance Kriya Yoga. Mindfulness. Practice being fully present in everyday activities, whether eating, walking, or working. Journaling. write down your experiences after each session. This helps track your progress and reflect on your inner journey. Sattvic diet. Incorporate a diet that nourishes the body and mind, focusing on fresh, plant-based foods. Transformative benefits of Kriya Yoga. Inner peace. By quieting the mind, Kriya Yoga brings a deep sense of calm and clarity. Spiritual awakening. As you progress, you begin to experience moments of divine connection and oneness with the universe. Enhanced focus and creativity. Regular practice sharpens your mind, making you more productive and imaginative. Healing the body. The energy flow stimulated by Kriya Yoga rejuvenates the body, boosts immunity, and promotes overall well-being. Real-life stories. Countless practitioners have shared their life-changing experiences with Kriya Yoga. From overcoming depression to achieving their life's purpose, Kriya Yoga has been a guiding force. One such practitioner shared, "Through Kriya Yoga, I didn't just find peace, I found myself." Kriya Yoga is more than a practice, it's a way of life. It teaches us that spiritual awakening is not about escaping the world, it's about engaging with it from a place of deep awareness and love. In a world filled with distractions, Kriya Yoga offers a path back to your true self. It helps you rise above the noise of the mind, connect with the divine within, and live with purpose and grace. Are you ready to embark on this journey of self-discovery and higher consciousness? Start today, and experience the profound transformation Kriya Yoga can bring to your life. If this video inspired you, share it with someone who might benefit from Kriya Yoga. Let's spread the light of this ancient wisdom together. Stay tuned for more spiritual insights.